YouTube family, what is going on today with everyone, man? I hope everybody is in good spirits, man. Y'all chilling from wherever y'all are at, watching, tuned in to this video, man. Hey, thank y'all for clicking on another one of the vids, man. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, for those who don't know, man. And hey, what's happening to everybody else that I already know what's going on with the fam, bro? But yes, man, today we have an unboxing video, man. I do have a couple of packages that I have gotten in, but I haven't had time to kind of get to them. But you know, I'm gonna show you guys one of the few packages that I do have. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and dive into it. Before we do that, man, if this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, hey, go ahead and join the family that we have, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. Hey, sky's the limit, man. We got a lot going on over here, man. Hey, positive vibes only. If you know, hey, if you rocking with the fam, go ahead, join the fam, man. But if not, hey, it's all love, man. It is what it is, man. But I thank y'all for all the positivity and support, man. Hey, the family is rock solid, man. Like, hey, we got the best fam out there. But anyway, man, enough with the chit chat, man. Like I said, hope everybody's good, yada yada. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, because that's what y'all are here for. Some of y'all probably already fast forward and did whatever y'all did, but for those who have patiently waited, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Let's go ahead and get to it. Bang! Yes, sir, man. This is actually a big box, but your boy got a package in a couple of days ago, and one thing I noticed is you can kind of see right into my box, man. Hey, shout out to Hibbett Sports and City Gear. Shout out to y'all, man, but these boxes ain't the move, man. Y'all gotta put some tape or something, you know, over the bottom. If y'all know what I'm talking about, man, comment down below, because some people mentioned to me in my on my Instagram when I showed a picture of it, they was like, I know where that package came from. But yo, man, that's unnecessary to be able to see, you know, what's in the shoebox, man. But I'm glad it made it to the crib, man. Enough with the talking, cause open up the box, man. No need for no scissors or nothing like that with this. I just open up the bottom of the box, and guess what we got? Can we put out? Oh man. Alright, I gotta open up one more part of the box. Alright, let's try it again. Y'all ready? Whoa! Bam! You may already, upside down, you may already know what time it is, man. But yes, your boy got that Yeezy 350 box in. Y'all already know what's going on. It was one of the most recent releases of the Yeezys I did hit on the Hibbett Sports app, and got lucky, man. I don't normally hit too much on Hibbett, but hey, shout out to Hibbett Sports and City Gear again, man. But let's see what's inside this box, man. But sliding it out, you do, oh, it's falling out. It's falling out. You do get your sale normal Yeezy 350 paper. And let me close this back up, man. I ain't gonna give y'all that quick, man. Let's go ahead and talk about this sizing label, shall we? Taking a look at the sizing tag, it says Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Color blocking is Zion. And no, we are not talking about Duke. Nah, we ain't talking about New Orleans Pelicans, man. But NBA is back, man. I don't know how I feel about it though. Something's off, man. I guess it's cause I don't know, man. The vibe is just not there, but it's back. But let's go ahead and get back to it. As I said, you did get your sale paper on the inside. Y'all seen that already. Let's check them out for the first time together. I haven't seen these yet, and give y'all my honest opinion on them, man. So voila. Oh, okay. Bang. Okay. Yeezy 350 Zion. First off, man, I gotta set this all up, man, because I hate the way the shoes be all smushed up like that. It makes the shoe look ugly. So I kind of gotta loosen it up and get it to looking a certain way before I give y'all my honest opinion on it. I will be hitting y'all with a review and on feet, as well as lace swap on these, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. But go ahead and loosen up that tie on that guy real quick, man. Bang! Alright, man. The Yeezy 350 Zion's quick 360 look at them. It has like a oatmeal color. Do they have a Yeezy 350 oatmeal? Nah, I don't think they got an oatmeal. They got some Yeezy, I think, in an oatmeal, but this could have really been like a quote-unquote a Yeezy 350 oatmeal. But y'all see it, man. Black stripe, you know, gray around your ankle collar area. You know, hey, we gonna go over this in the review video, but yeah, man, they're one of the more different Yeezys. This is not really like your it's a 350. I can't sit here and try to justify it, man. It's another 350, but it is slightly different. It's not, you know, it's not of, you know, your most recent ones. I can't say recent, just the ones that all kind of clash together. This one kind of stands out. Like I said, I will get into more detail and reviewing on feet to these, but y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these, man. Did y'all snag a pair? Were y'all able to cop? And yeah, man, are y'all keeping them for the feet, or y'all flipping? What y'all doing with these, man? But got that slightly what you call those outsoles, man? Gum bottom, slightly gum bottom type outsole on these. And they straight, bro. They straight, man. But yes, your boy did get these in. I'ma keep them. I'ma rock with them. I'ma do something with them. I'ma show y'all these on feet. Stay tuned for the video, man. I probably am going to get it out early next week. I'm not gonna try to hold on to it for so long, man. My Yeezy videos, I be coming out with Yeezy videos like a month after they drop, man. I be late on my Yeezys. Y'all gotta forgive me, but I'm gonna try to get these out to y'all early next week. And yeah, man, let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on them. Check them out one more time. Yeezy 350 Zions. And yeah, we gonna hit it with a lace swap too. I ain't gonna give y'all no details on that. Just use your imagination. Use your imagination. But yes, it's coming soon, man. But yep. Shout out to Hibbett Sports City Gear once again. Yeezy 350 Zions. They actually kind of clean, man. And yeah, stay tuned for the reviewing on feet. I will be giving my rating, all that stuff. Giveaways coming soon. I keep saying that, but it really is coming soon. And I'm gone, man. Hey, off-whites are around the corner, man. Hey, I might have an early look for y'all too, so stay tuned. But stay blessed, man. Your boy JayTheSneakerGuy checking out with the Yeezy 350 Zions. Till my next one, man. I'm gone, man. Peace.